Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture mass hiring announced. As I already said in my morning video that Accenture mass hiring is announced for the 21, 22, 23, 24 batch for PADA, AAC and System Application Service Associate role. This video is part second, step by step registration process, exam and interview preparation. पहले ही आपको बता दूं, कैंडिडेट्स आर रिसीविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ अपडेट फ्रॉम द एक्सेंचर टीम. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, यू हैव मूव अहेड इन आर रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस. ओके, जस्ट सी दैट व्हाट कैंडिडेट मेंशन. Hello sir, I applied for Accenture AAC role today after seeing your video and I got this type of mail. Okay, so I mentioned hello, yes means your profile is considered, just wait. Okay, so basically the next thing is related to examination update. Okay, so you have to just wait for the exam update, and the hiring is already on the MyZone portal. Okay, when you click on MyZone portal, so there are two type of hiring announced: package app development associate, system application service associate. Eligibility is 21, 22, 23, 24 batch. You have to click on apply now button and I will share the direct like step by step apply process. System Application Service Associate for BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom 21, 22, 23, 24 batch. Last date of apply is not mentioned. Okay, and candidates are receiving the updates from the Accenture team that is related to congratulation mail. This congratulation means you have advanced to their recruitment process and soon they will consider your profile and according to timelines they will share the updates with all of you. Okay, but I have one request from all of you. Don't apply if you already applied and received congrats mail previously. Don't apply if you recently completed exam and interview and you are waiting for interview result. Okay, don't apply if you are in document verification process. Okay, means you are verifying your document. Okay, apply only if your cooling period is over. Okay, previously rejected candidate, now cooling period completed, so apply, or you are new user. Okay, that's the most important thing. Again I am mentioning that. Okay, don't apply if you are recently completed exam and interview. Don't apply if you already applied and received congrats mail. Okay, because it will throw error that they have your profile. Okay, just see that candidate received this type of update. Let's discuss about the step. Okay, let's discuss about the step by step apply process. You have to click on apply now button. So if you already have an account, so you have to click, otherwise you have to click on I don't have an account. Okay, so the registration form will be open. You have to click on next here. Okay, so after the next it will upload it. So let's fill this form fastly. Okay, on educational details. Suppose you are already graduated, so you have to select undergraduate, because postgraduate dual degree is a different program. Okay, so they will give you option to select. You have to, first of all you have to select your degree, after that your college name. Okay, so I have to choose my college name, my branch here. Okay, computer science and engineering. Okay, CAC. University is Rajiv Gandhi Pradhyogiki Vishwavidyalaya. Month of starting you have to choose according to your mark sheet. Okay, so suppose I am from 21 batch, so I have to select this. Okay, they mentioned 21, 22, 23, 25, but only 21 to 20. You have to select no experience. Okay, and skill set no need. Okay, you can choose according to your technical skill set, otherwise no need. Certification is also not mandatory. If you have, you can choose. Have you done your diploma? Not applicable. Not applicable, don't choose this. Preferred job location, according to your preferred job location you can choose. Okay, and did you completed your relevant degree? Yes, completed with the stipulated time frame. Standing backlog? No. Have you worked on Accenture? No. Have you appeared for Accenture interview process in the last 3 months? No. Select your nationality, Indian. Examination? Yes. Exam expected, they mention already. You have to consider the disability. After that declaration you have to click on yes, I agree. Yes, I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree, and click on submit option here. Okay, they will give one update to your email ID. Okay, okay, so it's currently uploading. We need to verify your email. So basically your registration is successful. They mention your registration process is complete. We will send future update. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.